Hello there, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, let's discuss about the web check-in, checkout and time runner. So in a web-based attendance management system like Horilla, implementing a check-in, checkout feature is essential for tracking employees' time effectively. So let's see how we can manage that in Horilla. So when an employee logs into Horilla, they can mark the attendance by clicking on this check-in button over here. So once we check in, we'll be able to see that the employee's name will be added in the online employees over here since he has checked in. So we'll be able to track our time at work by enabling the time runner. So to enable the time runner, we can go to the settings over here, and under the time runner, we can enable this at work tracker. So once we enable this, we'll be able to see that we can track our time at work over here. So let's go back to the dashboard, and we can see that the time runner is enabled. So, and to check out from this, we can just click on this checkout button over here, and we can see that the employee's name will be added in the offline employees list over here. So this is how we can manage the check-in, checkout and the time runner. So hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.